video is dedicated to the top 5 suburbs in Memphis Metropolitan. In terms of home sales yearly, the top suburbs include Cordova, Collierville, Germantown, Bartlett, and Arlington, Lakeland. So let's dive in and explore these areas further. So first on our list is Cordova, Tennessee. And the first thing that comes to mind when I think of Cordova is Germantown Parkway. This street stretches across several areas, and while driving through Cordova, it offers a multitude of big box retailer shopping, office space, restaurants, comedy clubs, lounges, and entertainment, family fun, one of the largest parks across the country, and more. There's also events at the FedEx Event Center, family and corporate picnics in the area, festivals, zip lining, jogging, walking, bicycle trails, fishing, canoeing, horseback riding, and much, much more. When it comes to buying or selling real estate here in this lively area of Cordova, Tennessee, with all its hustle and bustle, typically the neighborhood has the most inventory available than any other neighborhood across Memphis. And in June 2023, the average sales price of homes in Cordova was $310,000. And Cordova is located in Shelby County. Now we'll quickly highlight a few facts about the area. The secondary schools are under Memphis Shelby County Schools District, and you can learn more at www.greatschools.org. The annual Delta Fair at the Agri Center off of Walnut Grove Road is also a fun tradition. City residents come around to check out the hundreds of vendors, amusement rides, animals, and good carnival food. The Christmas light show at Shelby Farms Park is a delight for families to walk through or drive through. And to learn more about Cordova, check out my video about Memphis Most Affordable. Now, on Independence Day, local residents can enjoy the fireworks show from multiple places, including Bellevue Baptist Church in Cordova. The other areas include Collierville, Germantown, Bartlett, and Arlington. Also, each neighborhood celebrates their own individual Independence Day with extravaganzas and fireworks shows and festivals within each town. Now let's talk about Collierville. Collierville is inspired by tradition, community, and preservation. Driving down Houston Levee Road, you can reach the highly desirable town of Collierville. It's home to leading logistics employer FedEx corporate headquarters, and many residents are attracted to the shops of Carriage Crossing for its big box retail stores and shopping. Collierville is widely recognized to be one of the most expensive and prestigious neighborhoods in the Memphis Mid-South area. When it comes to buying or selling real estate here in Collierville, in May 2023, the average sales price of homes in Collierville was $557,000. Zip codes include 38017 and 38125, and it's also located in Shelby County. Now we'll quickly highlight a few facts about the area in Collierville. The secondary schools are operated under Collierville's school districts. You can learn more at www.greatschools.org, and there are nearly 10 private and independent schools in the area, including St. George Independent Schools. And then also the Collierville Balloon Festival is a recent treat for the family to experience hot air balloon rides, tasty foods, and entertaining live music. Now let's transition and talk about Germantown. Forbes calls Germantown one of the top cities for working parents. An attractive and energetic area, the Germantown Performing Arts Center offers residents an opportunity to enjoy jazz, symphonies, dancing, and other community events. Drive around Germantown Parkway, Poplar Avenue, and Farmington Road, and you'll discover a wonderful area with places like Trader Joe's and Saddle Creek shopping. Saddle Creek is a popular retail complex where you can find the Apple Store, Lululemon, Anthropologie, and many other high-end boutiques. There are plenty of dining options to enjoy, from Stony River Steakhouse and other fine dining cuisine to other casual places also. And when it comes to buying or selling real estate in Germantown, in May 2023, the average sales price of homes in Germantown was $618,000. Zip codes in Germantown include 38138 and 38139, and it's located in Shelby County. The secondary schools area operated under the Germantown Municipal School District. You can learn more at greatschools.org. And the Epicenter Memphis is a nice co-working space for aspiring entrepreneurs and small businesses. Check out the Memphis Best Neighborhood video for more details about Germantown, Tennessee. Now, one of my other favorite suburbs is Bartlett. Driving on Stage Road, or also known as Highway 64, you'll drive through the town of Bartlett. It is a great place to raise families and retire. This busy suburban town offers festivals, family entertainment, plus a variety of shopping, neighborhood marts, casual dining, and small businesses. The Bartlett Performing Arts Center, adjacent recreation center, recreation and parks allow families to stay engaged and interact with other residents. And when it comes to buying or selling real estate in Bartlett, the area offers about half of the housing market inventory that Cordova does. And in May 2023, the average sales price of homes in Bartlett was $306,000, and it's located in Shelby County. Now, secondary schools are operated by the Bartlett City Schools District, and you can learn more at greatschools.org. The Bartlett Festival at Freeman Park is wonderful, and it consists of arts and crafts, vendors, tasty food trucks, car shows, and fun activities for youth like bounces. So now we're going to segue and talk about Arlington Lakeland. If you drive down Airline Road, you'll land in the town of Arlington, Tennessee. From farmers markets to holiday festivals, Arlington is a quiet community known for its deep traditional heritage. And if you love arts and crafts, you'll love Arlington's April Arts and Crafts Street Fair, full of vendors and all things crafty. And when it comes to buying or selling real estate here in Arlington, the area offers about a third of the housing inventory that Cordova does. And in May 2023, the average sales price of homes in Arlington was $457,000. It's in Shelby County. Secondary schools are operated under the Arlington Community Schools District. You can learn more at greatschools.org. Now, whether you're driving northeast from the interstate or around the suburbs, you can get to the town of Lakeland from Highway 70 or Canada Road. Lakeland also borders Cordova and expands off to Houston Levee Road. With convenience and retail stores a few minutes away, Lakeland is another quiet community for those looking for tranquility, space, and nice-sized backyards. The Lakeland neighborhood has been recognized by the Arbor Foundation for its Tree City USA growth for over 15 years, which is prominent with its picturesque scenic views. And most recently, the Lake District was developed with favorite dining, fitness, and shops in mind. And when it comes to buying or selling real estate in Lakeland in May 2023, the average sales price of homes in Lakeland was $513,000. It's also located in Shelby County. Secondary schools in this area is operated by the Lakeland Schools District, and you can learn more at greatschools.org. And off of Canada Road, families can enjoy the newly constructed Lake District shops that we also talked about, where Frost Bakery, Italian restaurants, fitness centers, and other upscale shops are located. That concludes our video. Thanks for tuning in today. Check out the other videos on my YouTube channel to learn about what makes Memphis a wonderful and unique place to live, work, and play. So again, I hope you found some value in this video. Whether you're moving in 8 days or 80 days, be certain to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom video call. I'm Kelsey Mansbray, and I love to meet you in person, on Zoom, and get to know you a little bit better overall in your real estate goals. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to Memphis or any of the suburbs mentioned today. So with that, be well. I hope to see you around town, and we'll see you in the next video.